Muthia Jeniffer Wambua uria urari muruti wa wira wa kamitii ya gibũrũri ya migunda niahurukitio kwao mucii itura-ini ria Kathekai kaunti-ini ya Machakos. Mwaria thutha wa ungi makiririkana Wambua ta mutumia urari na kio murata wa hakuhi na aria mararutithanagia wira nake makiuga wira wake ni urethuranire.
We can't be this unfair. This is so unfair. Why do you have to kill a woman in that manner? It's not fair. You can kill a fellow man, or you can kill a... I mean, it's not fair. It's bad.
And Jennifer was so jovial. Now, in as much as I knew Irene first, when I met Jennifer, she was someone I could relate with.
Beautiful and kind-hearted person, lost through heinous acts of brutality.
Muikarĩri wa kamitii ya migunda Gesho Motati ni ugite ni magutigirira uthuthuria barangi nyoni wa tafanio wa kuhithuria ni woragire Wambua akiuga ni maguteithiriria thirikari hari gutigirira family yake niyo na kihoto.
As NSC, we are committed to ensuring that the truth is unearthed and justice is delivered.
Thirikari ni uretio gutigirira ni arumirira na kumbura tabania njuragano ino makiuga Wambua ni agiahetwo ugitiri wa kuigana thutha wake gwitikira gutumika ta muira wa thirikari.
Walijua Jennifer ana kesi gani iko mbele yake, ni shahidi wa kesi gani, na wako mpea protection. Hiyo ni ukweli wa mambo. Hata nyinyi mnatuambia hapa tukiangua Jennifer bila alienda, hatukuona vizuri ikitokea vizuri. Hamuna CCTV ama ni nini hamuna kwa hiyo maofisi yenu ambao ni alliance. Kwa sababu tungeambiwa alichukuliwa na huyu akapelekwa hapa, tungeambiwa.
We need to do with the members of parliament, and I think I can also take charge and accept the challenge by Chuma. It's just to put a petition to the speaker so that the matter is handed over to the Committee on Lands, headed by Dr. Rachel Nyamai, because we need thorough investigation. So many people have died because of land issues. I think Parliament should come in and investigate, starting with the issue of Jennifer.
Jennifer atuganire na gikuo giake kiumia kihituku riria agire ihinda-ini ria thiku 2 na mwiri wake gucoka kuonekana utetwo mutito-ini wa Ngong kuria arari muira munene wa cira wa guku wa muigana wa ciringi milioni 122. Maumirira ma uthuthuria wa gikuo giake monanitie akuire na njira ya gwitwo. Wambua atiga ciana 2 na muthuriwe Wambua Komu uria ni muruti wa wira ministry ni urimi guku bururi-ini. Girifotera Kameme TV, returokani wa Jiro wa Foro.